please come. Let me invite the Senator for Nairobi, Honorable Sakaja, and the Woman Representative, Madam Passaris.
Right, and there's a bell here right in the middle of the super desk that usually, I could see our chief guest, Madam PS, wondering what that bell is for. Usually when we have a breaking news situation, ring the bell, ask all the people who are involved in breaking the news to come. And we have a sort of breaking news in this moment as we officially launch our new converged newsroom. And by the ringing of this bell, and we'll have the confetti and all these pyrotechnics to mark that moment. So I'll invite our guests to ring the bell as we launch officially the Standard Group Converged Newsroom, one of its kind in the region, officially launched here today. Round of applause for this historic moment. Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. With that, the official launch of our Standard Group Converged Newsroom has happened, as our good senator said, the only one of its kind, the south of Sahara and north of Limpopo. Here we are.
Indeed. Thank you very much, our guests. Thank you very much. I'll invite you now for a photo session with our new logo at the back.
And you'll notice that now on air KTN News, we've automatically shifted to a new look. If you can see from home on your screens, our new look KTN News is now live with all the colors as you have been explained to what it means. We are moving in the direction of boldness, of courage, of balance, and of deliberate content that makes a difference